President Biden is now declaring it a national health emergency. The White House is taking the action only after health declarations were first issued by the city of San Francisco and more recently, the state of California.
Yeah, that move is meant to help the federal government get vaccines out to more people in a quicker time frame. But this declaration is also raising questions about why the Biden administration is acting only now.
KPIX 5 reporter Itay Hod spoke to a man who could have used the vaccines and the help before he got infected.
For weeks, Stephen Ferris has been carefully applying ointment to his skin in the hopes of easing some of the pain.
The sores have all healed up. Pretty much right now I'm in kind of just like scar control and care.
Last month, Stephen, a lawyer from the Castro, noticed a few spots on his body. Then came the fever, headaches, sweats, and fatigue. But the worst part was the pain.
The sores that really hurt were the sores that were kind of on my hands or my genitals.
Stephen is one of hundreds of gay men in California who have tested positive for monkeypox. But even though his symptoms were severe, navigating a broken health system was even harder. By the time he was able to get the vaccine, it was too late.
It took a couple days to get the test, and I didn't even get the results for almost a week later. So I didn't confirm it until like 10 days from symptoms.
On Thursday, the Biden administration did what Stephen and hundreds of others in the Castro have been begging for: sound the national alarm by declaring monkeypox a national health emergency. It's done, but done too slow.
We had the testing infrastructure due to COVID kind of already in place. It's not like we were looking to invent a vaccine.
That's the complaint about the system Stephen and hundreds of others have in private conversations as people wait for word and treatment and struggle to get it.
I know friends in areas like Palm Springs who have to lie to get access to the vaccine or to travel outside their city and go somewhere else to get it.
Now Stephen is part of a community he didn't want to be part of. And while he's there, he's getting louder, hoping others don't suffer the same fate. And if they do, he hopes help is easier to be had. Itay Hod, KPIX 5.
This emergency declaration has also been a long time coming for State Senator Scott Wiener, who's been a vocal advocate pushing for the federal government to take stronger action.
We've been in an emergency for a while now, and we need to really act like we're in an emergency. And this declaration by President Biden today will be helpful in opening up some resources, but also allowing for faster approval of medication, as well as new, better kinds of testing.